You're listening to the Patenting for Inventors podcast with registered patent attorney, Dr. Adam Diamond, founder of Diamond Patent Law, the #1 source for securing your intellectual property needs. Now, here's your host, Adam Diamond.
Hello and welcome to the Patenting for Inventors podcast, episode 29, How to Prepare the Declaration of Inventorship. My name is Dr. Adam Diamond, a registered patent attorney and founder and owner of Diamond Patent Law in Los Angeles, California. I can be contacted through my website at patentingforinventors.com. That's patentingforinventors.com. Or you can call me at 424-281-0162. And while most attorneys can only practice in states where they're members of that state's bar, patent attorneys are actually allowed to practice patent law for clients in any state. So feel free to contact me regardless of where you live. We're almost done with all the paperwork needed for filing. This episode is about a required form called the Declaration of Inventorship. This will be one of the shortest episodes because there's not much to it. One of the rules for getting a patent in the United States is that you must be one of the inventors. That might seem obvious to some people, but maybe it's not. I once got a call from someone saying that they wanted to patent a new kind of ice cream cone. I asked when he invented it, and he said he didn't invent it. He saw it on a street corner and someone selling it, and he wanted to patent it before the street vendor could. That's not how our patent system works. You have to be the inventor. All the inventors have to sign a form saying that they are an inventor of the invention in the application. Look for USPTO form PTO/AIA/01. It's called Declaration for Utility or Design Application using an application datasheet. I talked about the application datasheet in the last episode, so I'm assuming that you're doing one and you'll use this form. There are some other declaration forms if you're doing a plant patent or reissue application or declarations that are not in English and some other scenarios, but for most of you, form AIA/01 is going to be the form for you. If you're filing this at the time that you're filing the rest of your application, you fill out the title of your application on the top line. Then you check the box that says, this declaration is directed to the attached application. If you didn't file this at the time that you filed your application, you will check the other box and then list the application number and filing date. If you don't file this at the time that you file the rest of your application, there's a fee you have to pay, and it's currently between $40 and $160 depending on your entity status. Then at the bottom, you print and sign your name, and you can optionally put in a date. Make sure you're using one of the current forms because the form did change a few years ago, and the old forms are no longer valid. What you're signing is that you're saying that the application was made or authorized by you, you believe that you're an original inventor or joint inventor, and if you're lying, that you could be fined or imprisoned for 5 years or both. So don't sign this or file an application if you're not the inventor unless you like fines and prison. That's it for the declaration. If you want help with drafting your patent application, you can contact me through my website at patentingforinventors.com. That's patentingforinventors.com, or call Diamond Patent Law at 424-281-0162. I'm Adam Diamond, and until next time, keep on inventing.
Thanks for listening to the Patenting for Inventors podcast with host Adam Diamond. If you enjoyed the show, please rate and review on iTunes. The contents of this podcast are intended for general informational purposes only. The facts of every legal matter are unique, and the content of this podcast should not be construed as offering legal advice for your specific legal situation. For more information and help with your own intellectual property needs, contact Adam Diamond at patentingforinventors.com. That's patentingforinventors.com. Or call Diamond Patent Law at 424-281-0162. The preceding information may be considered an attorney advertisement and does not establish any attorney-client relationship.